Now, sometimes we want to prevent a method from being overridden in a derived class. This is where we use the final keyword. For example, here in the textbox class, we have the implementation of the draw method. Now let's imagine we don't want any derivatives of this class to override the draw method further. We want to make sure all of our text boxes, all kinds of text boxes have the same drawing algorithm. So here we can mark this with the final keyword. And the order doesn't matter. We can put it before override. Either way, it's fine. Now we cannot create a new class that derives from the text box and overrides the draw method further. Let me show you. So if you add a new class here, let's call that masked text box. Now in this file, first we include the text box header file, and then have this class extend the text box class. Now if we bring up the generate palette and try to override some functions, look, we don't see the draw method because it's declared as final. That is the final implementation. Now if we try to manually type that here, so let me just copy the function signature, void draw const. If we try to add that, followed by the override keyword, we get a compilation error saying declaration of draw overrides a final function. So that is final method. But we can also declare a class as final. So back to our text box class, if we add the final keyword here, we cannot create a new class that derives from the text box. So over here, we get a compilation error saying base text box is marked final.